How to do a boomerang on Snapchat on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can do a boomerang on the Snapchat app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to do a boomerang on the Snapchat app on Android, it's actually quite simple. On iOS it's very simple, but on Android it's a little bit of different process. You have to open a specific video over here, and then let's say I just take a snap like this, right? You want this to be boomerang over and over in a loop like this, right? So what do you do in those cases? Well, to do that, first of all, let me go ahead and record it. Just take it from this side to this side again, and after you've done that, just end the video. Now let's say you want this to be repeated over and over again. What do? If you look on the right hand side, you can see this little infinity loop icon over here. Make sure to tap on it once, tap on it again, play once, and until you see this loop option here, just select it. So first it's going to select play once, next option is going to be selected loop. You want to make sure to select that option, and you can see our boomerang has been successfully created. This way you will be able to create a boomerang on Snapchat app on Android. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.